Lost in Symphony 83 smells like someone bottled expensive vacation energy, bright citrus, fresh spice, and a warm musk that feels so clean, modern, and ridiculously classy. This is the scent you wear when you want to smell put together. It fits every single moment. This has that citrus wake you up smell. The ginger adds spark, and the musk is what gives it that polished, I have my life together finish. It turns basic days into main character days. So how do you use it? 2 sprays for daytime, 3 if you want presents, wrist, neck, back of your shirt for a longer trail. Why I love this. The citrus hits crisp right away. Instant fresh energy. The rosemary mix feels so high-end and elevated. Lastly, this is light enough for daily wear, but still so special. Final verdict, the clone Lost in Symphony 83. If you want a fresh, spicy, unisex fragrance that smells designer trip to Paris without the Paris price, this one absolutely nails it. This video is sponsored, but the nose smell is not.